Hello friends, today we discuss how to solve this question. This is the very important question of the algebra and mathematics are mixed. We also discuss some basic concepts which are useful to solving this problem. If you see this video completely, you are able to solving many other questions similar to that. So without wasting time, start the video. First we discuss what is the question. Here question you see that in this question given that 2 की power 3 and minus 1 plus 10 divided by whole divided by 7 is equal to 6. How to solve this question? First we discuss some basic concepts which are useful to solving this problem. Since we know that if any term written in this form a but a b is equal to c but a d, so now we cross multiply, that means a multiplied by d is equal to c multiplied by b. This is the very simplified form and this concept we use here, and we get here because here not see any term, so we write 1 because we 1 written in any numbers below, always written all this is the hidden term. So here multiplied 1 by this, so we get 2 की power 3n minus 1 plus 10 and equal to 7 multiplied by 6 equal to 42 we get. Now this 10 transfer this side because here positive, so go this side into converted into negative. So here we subtract and we get 3 2 3 2, and we also know that the factor of 3 2 divided by 2 we get 16, and we divided by 2 we get 8, and we divided by 2 we get 4, also we divided by 2 we got 2, and 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So here we write 32 equal to, here we see for 2 5 times, so 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 2 multiplied by 2 2 multiplied by 2, we get 2 की power 5. So here we write in place of 32 is equal to 2 की power 5, and here this is the term 2 की power 3n minus 1, 2 की power 3n minus 1, also 2 3 की 3n minus 1. We know that any expression written in the form, that means if base is equal to, here we write a simple formula, if a की power n is equal to a की power m, so here n is equal to m. According to this concept, here 3n minus 1 equal to 5. Now transfer 1 because here is the negative sign, so go this side converted into positive, so plus 1, 3n is equal to, now 5 plus 1 6, so 3n is equal to, and n is equal to 6 divided by 2 goes answer here 3, 2 multiply 3, so because here 3, so answer here comes so very easily, that's here we see right answer is equal to 2. So here we write a final answer of this question, n is equal to, this is the very simple question, can be solved using this process. And we also met in the next video with some interesting questions. If you want to see this video on Instagram and Facebook, link given in the description box, also in comment box, please go to check and follow my Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to this video on the YouTube, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon for new all video. Thanks for watching.